So hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet for beginners. Here I'm showing you crochet hooks that I recommend using. It's 5mm. The pink one I got from a set on AliExpress. The gold one can be found at Walmart or any craft store. I believe both of them can be found at any craft store, but I got mine from Walmart with a set. Both on my size 5mm hooks. It doesn't matter which brand you're using as long as it's a 5mm hook. Here I'm showing you different scissors you can use. I have yarn or thread scissors, which work absolutely amazing. And I have fabric scissors, which I also use as an alternative. Here, this is the yarn that I'm using, which is a Red Heart acrylic worsted weight yarn in the color petal pink, which I absolutely love. Definitely one of my favorite colors to use. So I'm showing you can pull it from the inside or the outside. I start off from the inside. Once the inside is done with, then I start working on the outside. But it doesn't matter which way you pull from. Here I'm pulling a decent amount just to start with. It's what I usually do when I'm working on the project. So you're going to start by making a slip knot. There are videos out there on slip knots if you don't understand my process. But I wrap it around my finger, as you can see. You want the smallest piece on the bottom. Here I'm showing you my smallest piece of yarn is at the bottom. You're going to take the longer piece. I just wrap mine around my finger because that's what I do to start. Pinching the knot, I pull through the longest piece and pull it tight. It don't mind me if you're hearing background noises. I'm just redoing it so I make sure I'm saying everything correctly. Then with your yarn through, you're just gonna start pulling through the yarn. I'm showing you can physically wrap it over, or you can just place your hook underneath the yarn and pull it over. Pull it through, not pull it over. You want to pull it through what you're working on. Pull it through, pull it through, pull it through, pull it through. And at this moment, I'm showing you with the back camera, but you can fast forward or you can just wait to the end because I also show you from my point of view how everything should be done. I'm not going to voice over that part just because it's the same thing. Well, I might voice it over, but yeah, here I'm just making a chain. You just want to keep pulling through that working piece of yarn. Showing you what your chain should probably look like. What your chain should look like. I'm stuttering all over my words. Here's how I hold my yarn. If you need a physical representation, but just hold it how you're comfortable. I wrap it over my index finger, turn my hand, and hold it down with my middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. My thumb and middle finger are typically used to hold my chain or hold whatever I'm working with, so I can keep everything about the same size with the same tension. And yeah. I'm showing you don't want to go into that first hook from the chain. You can, but I'm not doing it for this part. So I'm just going into the second chain from the hook. You're gonna place our hook into that. You can put it in any loop you're comfortable with. I did it at the top, but usually I work in the back chain. You're gonna pull through. Now you have 2 loops on the chain. You're gonna pull through that one. And this is a slip stitch. Again, it's called a slip stitch. You're just gonna place your hook through a chain, pull it back through. You're not gonna yarn over at all. You're just gonna pull it back through. You're gonna pull it through the loop on the chain, so you're always left with 1 or 2 chains. What I'm showing you now is a single crochet. For a single crochet, you're gonna go through the working yarn, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2 chains on the loop. So with with the slip stitch, you're not gonna yarn over once you come out of the chain. For a single crochet, you will yarn over when you're coming through the chain. I don't know if I'm explaining it good, but if you pay attention, like, it should be easy to understand. If not, you can always private message me or comment for additional help, and I'll be more than happy to send you a video explaining in depth. Here I'm showing you a look that can be achieved using slip stitches. So this piece was made with half double crochet and slip stitches only. I'm going to show it again at the end of the video. Yeah, now I'm just taking this a little because I'm going to start again just because. People may learn better when seeing it multiple times, is what I meant to say. But yeah, you see it multiple times, and this is just me speeding through it to show you guys, chain. We're gonna do a slip stitch again. No, I'm doing a single crochet, 2 loops, then pull through both of those. Yeah, and I was not feeling that pink hook, so I switched over to something I'm more comfortable with using. But again, it's all preference. There are tons of different type of hooks out there you can use. It's a close-up of what I'm doing. You have the 2 loops. I'm going to pull through both of those for a single crochet. And at the end of this, I'm going to be doing slip stitches. And I'm going to put it through a chain. Pull that yarn through. Now you have 2 loops. Pull through 1 for a slip stitch. See, they're virtually the same. The only difference is that yarning over step after you come from the chain. We have the beginning is slip stitches, and then the end of it is single crochet. Now I'm going to show you from my point of view. So here it is from my point of view. As you can see, I'm making a slip knot again. So this section is mainly for clarity. If you feel like, I don't think I'm doing this right, just revisit this section, and this is what it should look like from your eyes. I am right-handed. I do not know how to crochet with my left hand, but there are videos out there for lefty crocheters. Right, I'm making my chain, and I'm just gonna do the 2 basic stitches, single crochet and slip stitches. I'll do half double crochet, and trebles in my next video, but not this one. This one is just for single and slip stitching. Here I am starting off with slip stitches. You see, I place my hook through the chain, pull it through, and then pull through that single loop on my chain. What I just did was a single crochet. As you see, you have 2 loops on the chain. You're going to yarn over or place your hook under the yarn and pull through both of those loops on your hook. Don't mind me if I'm not talking that much. It's just some people are visual learners, so I'm giving them the visualization. Some people learn based off of being told, so I'm giving them that as well. Some people learn from written instructions. I can offer that as well, but not here, not now. And again, I'm showing you a project I did with slip stitches. This is half double crochet and slip stitches, which I made a headband or ear warmer, whatever you prefer to call it. And here I'm showing you I use slip stitches to close it off. I mean, not slip stitches, I use single crochet to close it off. So yeah, I use slip stitches and single crochet in one piece.